In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Discord old version and what's new in Discord's latest update. If you've recently noticed changes to Discord, or you'd like to use an earlier version of the application, this tutorial will guide you through the process while also explaining what you can expect from the latest update. Keep in mind that Discord officially supports the newest version of the app, so older releases may have limited functionality or may automatically update after you start using them. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for a trusted software archive that provides previous versions of Discord. It's important to use a reputable source and avoid unofficial websites that appear suspicious or include unnecessary bundled software. Taking a moment to verify the source can help ensure you're getting a legitimate copy of the version you're looking for. After you've found a reliable archive, browse through the available Discord versions. Choose a release that matches your operating system, and check the release date so you can confirm it's the version you want. Save the setup file to your computer so it's ready for the next step. Before using the older version, make sure Discord is completely closed. Check your system tray near the clock to ensure it isn't still running in the background. Then exit the application if necessary. If Discord is already on your computer, you may also need to remove the current version before proceeding. Don't worry, removing the application won't delete your Discord account, servers, messages, or other information stored online. However, if you have local settings you'd like to keep, it's a good idea to back them up before making any changes. Next, open the setup file for the older version and complete the process. Once everything is finished, launch Discord and sign in to your account. Depending on the version you've chosen, Discord may immediately prompt you to update to the newest release. Since Discord regularly checks for updates, some older versions may only work temporarily before requiring an update. Now, let's briefly look at what's new in Discord's latest update. Recent releases usually focus on improving performance, enhancing security, fixing bugs, and refining the overall interface to provide a smoother experience. You may also notice updates to voice and video features, server management tools, accessibility improvements, and other quality-of-life enhancements designed to make Discord more reliable and enjoyable to use. If your goal is to compare the older version with the latest one, spend a few moments exploring the menus, settings, and overall interface to see what has changed. While older versions may look familiar, the latest release generally offers better compatibility, improved stability, and access to Discord's newest features. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to get an older version of Discord and what to expect from the latest update. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,